everybody. Wade McNutt here, piano meditation worship tutorials. We're going to do a melody lesson just for the chorus of the song Good Plans, Red Rocks Worship. So the whole idea of these lessons is just to give you something to play, maybe leading into the song, or maybe somebody's praying. And so it's going to give you a function of how this stuff works. Of course, I always encourage you, if you're not already, sign up for the email list below the video and get all the goodies that come with that. So, chorus. So I want your hand in this position on the F sharp, middle finger on the D, thumb on the A, and you'll just be playing, He has good plans. He has good plans for me. And then you can play, so I will take heart, just like that, in deserts and gardens. And then the next part of the song does that same thing. He has good plans. Sing it and play it. So I will take heart in deserts and gardens. Then the only thing left is to put in some bass. So simple thing to do, and then I'll show you maybe a little more advanced, is you just kind of roll on this D, A, D. So you'll play good, then hit your B here, B F sharp. See how that moves? Good. So those certain chords, the ones that are on the 4 beat and this left 4th beat, move in between where your melody is. So 1, 2, 3, and then right there. So for B flat, B minor, we're just playing this. For A, we're playing this in the bass. I'll play this for your D slash F sharp. So you have F sharp is what the bass player is supposed to play, and then you can add in this D here, and then here for G. So you can kind of do it out of time if you go. See how pretty that is? So I will take heart in deserts and gardens. So you see the chords on the thing. You're really not paying attention to them for the right hand because we're letting the right hand do melody stuff. But the left hand is just kind of playing your bass notes. I'm not a big fan of playing chords in the left hand and doing this. So here's the difference in sound. So if I just played chords, it'd sound like this. Like, that doesn't sound full to me. You know, that it doesn't have the same type of sound as. See how there's the difference in that? So that rolling motion and just playing those nice deep bass notes, that's going to get you more of the sound that you want. Okay, so I hope you're tracking along with me. Maybe this is too advanced for you. That's okay. Could be something you just need to come back to later. And the last trick with that, since we're just looking at the chorus in this lesson, is taking it up an octave. So check this out. Oh, sorry. In the left hand, on this D, if you want to go up to F sharp, if you can reach, that's another cool thing. Anyway, you don't have to do that. Squirrel. Here we go. So up higher, let's just play it slow and use the sustain pedal. See how nice that feels. So again, just part your brain to where you're work out the melody in this hand, work out where your bass notes move and how they function in this hand, and then merge them together, and you'll have that nice little chorus sound. Cool. That's it for this lesson. A little quick one today. God bless you guys. Praying for you all over the world. God, we love you, and we thank you for the opportunity to do this. Wade McNutt, pianomeditation.com.